Now again we will discuss about the short questions and answers of the lesson 8, that is the jackal, the tiger, the Brahman and the jackal. We have already written 2 short questions, number 2 and 3. Now number 4. It is rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. It is very carefully we have to do. Okay, we have to do this type of problems very carefully, because if we commit a single mistake, we will get 0 marks. So first we will think about it. What we have to do? First we will count the number of the words, and after that we have to make capital letters to the first letter of the first word. Then we have to see the symbol, whether it is a question mark or a full stop or an asterisk mark. We have to find out it, and after that we will rearrange them according to the symbol. And after that, when we rearrange it, again we have to count the words, whether we have used all the given words or not. If any word is left, we again will think about it and we will write it. Okay, so they are from our lessons. Lesson 8. Look at this. Brahman, oh, let out me cage of this pious, then astonishment mark. We will write this question with black pen and the answer with blue pen. Okay, can you say what is the correct rearrangement of the words? Can anyone say? No one. Let me out of this cage, O pious Brahman. Who said this? The tiger. Let me out of this cage, O pious Brahman. Pious Brahman. Let me out of this cage, O pious Brahman. Then we have to put the asterisk mark, because asterisk mark is given to us. Then second question. You the each to trap small hold to TO2. Then we have given full stop. That means it is an assertive sentence. So can anyone say what is the answer? Yes, yes. No, it is wrong. The trap is too small to hold you. The trap is too small to hold you. Then we will supply full stop. Okay, the third one. The opens the Brahman, the of door trap full stop. Yes, can anyone say? No one. The Brahman opens the door of the trap. The Brahman opens the door of the trap. Then full stop. The Brahman opens the door of the trap. Okay? Then fourth one. Let our now dinner begin. Full stop. Now let us begin our dinner. Now let us begin our dinner, or let us begin our dinner now. Now is the adverb of time. We can change its place. We can use at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence also. The last one. Master dog help the did how its question mark. Yes, it is a question. How can we rearrange that? How did the dog help its master? How did the dog help its master? How did the dog help its master? Okay, children. Then question number 5. Question number 5 is, I will clean it. Okay. First I will clean it. Then we will discuss it one by one. Okay. Number 5 is choose the correct answer. 5. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. We have given some options and we have to find out which one is the correct answer. Okay? Then number 1 is, what a fool you are. What a fool you are. Question mark. Who said this? Who said this? The options are like the jackal, B, the tiger, C, the people tree, D, the Brahman. Who said this? What is the answer? Who can say? Yes, you say. Mama, you say. What is it? You can't say. Hello, brother. Yes, you say. What is it? Very good. The tiger. The tiger. Then number 2, the people tree. The people tree suggested the Brahman. Suggested the Brahman not to dash. 1. A is cry, B, laugh, C, complain, D, fight with the tiger. So what is the answer? Who can say? The people tree suggested the Brahman not to dash, not to cry, not to laugh, not to complain, not to fight with the tiger. What is the correct answer? Can anyone say? Yes, very good. Complain. complain. So in this way we have to do other question and answers. Number 3. Who was the second witness? The tiger, the jackal, the dog, the peepal tree. Which one is the second witness? Yes? What is it? Yes, yes. Tell me loudly. Yes, very good. The dog. Okay, very nice. Number 4. The dog was dash. The options are like old. The dog was dash. The options are like old, toothless, half blind, all the above. Can anyone say what is the correct answer? Very good. All the above. The dog was old, half blind and toothless. 5. The jackal was dash, stupid, clever, deep and mad. Can anyone say? Yes, brother, you say. What is the correct answer? Stupid, clever, deep or mad? Very good. It is clever. The jackal was clever. So it escaped the Brahman from the tiger. Okay, he made a plan to put the tiger in the cage again, and the jackal did it. So it was very clever. It was very intelligent and solved the problem. Okay, children, please write down these question and answers in your question answer note. Now this lesson is completed. You have to by heart the question and answer. 25 question and answers are there from this lesson. You have to by heart the question and answers, also the short questions, and read the lesson for 8 times. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you very much.